Hi everyone, Coach Matt here to talk about the exercise of this week, which is going to be neck extension. So this here is our Pendulum Five-Way Neck Machine. You can do 5 different movements to strengthen everything around your cervical spine or the neck. This exercise is extension, so what you're going to be doing is extending the neck backwards, working the muscles on the back side of the neck. This is a super important exercise for preventing and also treating things like chronic neck tightness, neck weakness, and potentially neck pain as well, where we can train those muscles through a full range of motion safely. So the way you'll perform this exercise is you'll have a seat with tall posture, starting in the stretch position so your chin will be tucked down towards your chest, and then you'll slowly, in roughly 4 seconds, reach your head back, lifting up your chin to the ceiling, holding briefly in that position and lowering it down in 4 seconds.